Hello, hello. So today I have a haul from a brand new place that I'm doing, and that is Oriental Trading. I know that I do different videos from Dollar Tree, and so many of you have a hard time. I get different messages. I'm so disappointed. I can't find the items. If you live in a small town, or maybe you have a small Dollar Tree and they're not like the big ones here in the city. So I decided to become an affiliate with different places where I can buy different craft supplies. And when I'm doing that craft, I'm going to be able to direct you guys where to get the items I'm making. So I have some fun items in here, and below is a link so you get free shipping. There is usually always a $49 and then you get free shipping, and once you purchase from them, you'll start getting emails with their specials and their holiday sales, and maybe you'll even get like less. Sometimes they have like a free shipping with $29 or $39. So let's get started on what I got. So first of all, I think everybody with a YouTube channel needs one of these, because I'll tell you what, sometimes it takes me 1, 2, 3 different times to get my videos going. So I thought, well, maybe if I thought I was like Hollywood, yes, I got myself one of these, so I can say action, and I can write down here how many scenes and how many takes, because sometimes it's like a large amount. But these were only $5.20. So I thought it was super duper cute. And if you have like maybe a birthday party or something coming up, or you just want to have a movie night in the yard, they have all kinds of fun Hollywood, like the red carpet and all kinds of fun stuff. So I am posting all the links individually below, so you don't have to search for them, but you would if you, I don't have all the Hollywood. I just thought the sign was so doggone cute for $5, and I think it's a cute way to do your YouTube videos, especially for a lot of the kids that are just getting started with their channels. So then I have a really cute idea, and they have all kinds of cute boxes. And these are, of course, are baby blue, but they have them in all different colors. These are actually a cupcake box, and it's like this when you put it together. It's super duper easy. So I'm going to take one out of here just to show you how simple this is to make this box. I mean, you literally just, here it is folded up, and you just open it up, your box is made. How is that? I mean, it doesn't get any easier than that. And then they have these little cute things that you put it, so you fold down the corners so that your cupcake sits right in the center, and your frosting is still on there when you get home, because there's nothing worse than getting where you want it to go and your frosting not being where it needs to go. Then you just pop out these little cardboard cutouts. Okay, just cut those out. There's 2 on the side, one here, one here, and then literally all you do is fold down the side, pull up on the center like this so that the box is nice and flat, and then you just take these 2 little tabs, one here and one on this side, and you are all done. But I have a really cute idea that I want to share with all of you, and it has nothing to do with an edible cupcake. So I wanted to share these boxes because they come in so many varieties. This is really cute with graduations coming up. Maybe you have a baby shower, and I think for the money, I believe there's a dozen in there. I'm not sure of the price, but again, I'm going to post all the links below, and these are super duper cute. You can even put other little gifts in here if you had something with the box that you can show, maybe a bracelet, maybe some jewelry. So it's not just a cupcake box. Then I got these because my idea comes with more than just that. And these are little cupcake rings. Now these are Easter, but again, I'm not using that for this. I'm going to use it for something completely different. But this is so that you can dress up your little cupcake. So say, for instance, you don't want a boring cupcake. Maybe you're doing a baby shower or something. And again, there's the little notch. And all you do is bring it around, stick it through this little tab here. And there is your little cupcake ring. So, for instance, if we had it in our box, you would be able to clearly see the little cupcake ring there. See the little cupcake ring? So, of course, it's popping up because there's nothing in here. But you would see that pretty little box rather than just a plain cupcake in the wrapper. And it comes with these little sticks. So these are kind of like for spring or Easter. And again, the link will be below for these. And this is just to dress up your cupcake wrapper. Then we're going to have some fun with these. Love, love, love these. I wonder if some of you guys know what they are. They are, we're going to be sharing projects coming up. So you guys are all going to want to be able to purchase these things. And this is one of the most reasonable priced with free shipping. These are the embroidery rings. So we're going to be doing some fun projects with embroidery rings. And all you have to do with this is loosen this up and you take out this outer ring. And this is where you would put your cloth and then you just put it back together. And we're going to make a few things out of these. So again, if I make this, everybody's going to be saying, where did you get the embroidery rings? And they come in several different sizes. These are the really big ones. And I have a lot of fun ideas coming up with these. So you're definitely going to want to get those. And they come in a 3-pack, so you get 3 with those. Then I got this really cute bunny set. It comes with everything you need to make bunny garland. So we're going to make this, and I'm going to show you guys how much fun you guys can have with the kids. And all of these things are so reasonably priced. Spring break is coming up, and you want something to do with all the kids. So look at, this is the bunny garland all the way across, and it comes with everything you need. So here's the little eggs. Here's the little bunny tails. The string is in here. Everything you need to make your cute bunny garland. So I wanted to do this because I wanted to show you guys how nice their kits are, and these are perfect for the kids. Get them off the computer. Get them making things. Get them using their imagination and being creative. This is so fun. So this is something else that I got. Then I got this, and I actually forgot one piece to it, so I have to order it. But this is really, really cute for those of you that are getting ready to plant. If you wanted to do a little herb garden, they have this cute little box that's already made up. Okay, but I'm going to do something different with it. And in the next haul, I'll show you guys what I'm doing. But it is made out of wood, and it's a nice little box to do your planting in, or maybe you even want to do something with it as a shelf so you can put it on. You can use this as a shelf. You can put little things in here, and all you would do is screw this backside to the wall, or you can even get those hangers and put them on the backside here, and then just put it on the wall. So it's entirely up to you. You can even put it like this. Maybe a small wine bottle would fit in there, and you can put some grass in here. You can put some cellophane over it. You can paint this box. You can take a stencil from vinyl or anything like that, and you can put a cute Mr. and Mrs. and the date they got married. So there's so many things you can do with these fun crates, and I just wanted to share that with you too, but I forgot one of the parts, and I thought, oh, I didn't order it, but I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to do with mine real soon. So again, all the links are below. Then I got these really cute stencils. Now, I know a lot of times people have a hard time with stencils because they don't know how to tape them down without them moving. So what you want to do is, on the smooth side, you want to get some of the spray adhesive, and you want to spray it on the back side and stick it down. Now here is my idea. I got the summer ones. So here's a shark, here's a whale, here is a little starfish. So here is my idea. I went to the hardware store, and I thought, how fun would this be to make some cute tiles? These are the 6x6 tiles, and you could make these for like outside to put a hot pot on, or you can make it as a kitchen ornament. What we're going to do on the back side is we can either put a full cork, or we can get the little felt tips here so that it's not flat on the surface. So I got solid white, and I got this pretty, like a tan taupe color. So with these tiles also, if you guys would like me to put together a kit, I can put 4 of these together, I think for $9.99 plus shipping, and you guys can do your own stencils. And what I was thinking of doing is printing off the stencils, so that if you wanted like the letter D for the last name, or you wanted to give it as a wedding gift, something like that, I was thinking of putting a kit together. But in the meantime, I thought these stencils were really cute. All you'd have to do is use either an acrylic paint or some Sharpie pens, and then you would just seal it with the Mod Podge clear glaze, and I thought that was really fun. So again, I'm going to put the link below, but these are even still nice for the kids. It does come with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it comes with a dozen. And look at some of them are really, really cute. A stingray. Here is a little seashell. So you can do like a little theme. You could make a few of these. And like if somebody has a beach house or something like that. They're all so fun. So there's a dolphin. Here's a shark. And I just thought these were so fun and something different to do. But just remember, just put some spray adhesive on the backside, stick it down so it doesn't move on you while you're coloring it in. And I think that like a Sharpie marker might work best because they have them for ceramic, and then you would just seal it with the glaze. So here is just a few more just to show you. Here is another shark with the water. Here is the sailboat. Here is seahorse. And here is another one. Now, how cute would this be if you did this in different colors on this ceramic tile? So I thought that these were really, really fun and something very different. And I will do a video showing you all how I do mine to make it easy so that you guys know. And if anybody needs the tiles, you can find these at your hardware store. Sometimes they're a little expensive. Just depends on where you go to buy them. But I thought that that was really fun. And again, those are a 6 by 6. Then they do include like fun things like this. I was surprised when I opened this up. It says $100 wine voucher, and it gives you a code to use, and it's $100 off a $160 order, so it costs you $60, and I believe it's free shipping too. So they send all different kinds of fun things like this, and then they give you a fun calendar. And then the last few things that I got, and then of course they're going to send you a new calendar, a new book that's going to show you some of the fun items they have. But here are the last few things, and yes, I am going to do a video. I am going to make some fun charm bracelets, but look at how many is in this bag. And this is the summer bag. There are, let's see here. I can't see if it says how many are in here. It doesn't. This is just, let's see, does it say how many pieces are in here? No, I don't see the piece count. But anyway, I'm going to make some fun little charm bracelets. So here's a little sun. Here is a little star. Here's a little flower. And I'm going to show you all how I make my cute little bracelets. And you can sell these. Look at the little flamingo. How cute is that? So I believe there's like, might be 72 pieces in here. Here's a little palm tree. So if you wanted to make a cute gift for someone and for yourself, it comes in a bag like this. And again, I'm going to post the link below. So you guys, if you're interested, you can purchase this. And here is a little fish. So I thought that these were so fun. And I'm going to make a charm bracelet. And maybe when I make the charm bracelet, I'll give it away. We'll do it as a free giveaway. We'll do that with one of these charm bracelets. I just think that's so fun, and you guys can see how I make mine. Then I got these really cute little earrings. We're going to do this one too. And I thought what I would do is I would do earrings. These are little Easter egg earrings. So it comes in a pack like this, and everything you need in here to make your earrings is in here. Okay, so these are going to be little Easter eggs. See, it comes with all the little parts that you need, and I am going to do, this says Easter pieces, so this is exactly what it is. They're little earrings. I'm going to put the link below so that you guys can see, and I believe there's 6 pairs in here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pairs. If you were to make these, you could sell them at a craft fair. You can do them for a gift. You can put them in a little Easter egg. So I'm going to show you all how I make these, and I am going to give 2 pairs away when I do the video on YouTube and 2 pairs away on Facebook. So I've been telling you guys I'm going to be doing these giveaways, and all you have to do is comment that you shared it, like on Facebook, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will pick on the following week a winner, and I will message you for your address when we have the wheel spin, because if we're going to make it legit and fair so that everybody's name is in the wheel, we'll stop it and you guys will see who the winner is. So this will be next week too, with our little Easter eggs, because Easter is coming. And last but not least, as a breast cancer survivor, oh actually I have 2. This one here, I'm going to make a little charm bracelet as well. And I would like to start putting these on my own website and selling them and donating some of the money to a place called Wellness House. It is a cancer place for anybody with any type of cancer, and all of the activities and things there are free. So for instance, if I wanted to go take yoga, I could go there. If I needed help with legal advice, I could go there. If I wanted to make my will, and everything is free to the patient. So I thought that that was really, really nice. And here are the little charms that I am going to make a little charm bracelet out of. I don't know if you can kind of see it. It is pink, so this is the one for breast cancer, but they have them for everything. They have them for autism, and it comes in a package like this, and I believe there's 72 in here. So when I make this little bracelet, if you have someone that is battling cancer, breast cancer, and we're going to do a giveaway on this one as well, I would be happy to share these with you, and you can give a sweet little gift. So we have 4 giveaways already coming up really, really soon, so you'll want to subscribe. And then these are the last things that I wanted to share with you. These are the breast cancer earrings. So you can see that they hang down. And again, I will be making a pair of these on a video, and I will give a pair away to whoever would like a pair, if you'd like to give them as a gift, or maybe you're battling yourself. But these are things that I would like to make myself, put them on the website, and share. But they do have several different color ribbons. They have autism. They have different cancer ribbons. So this is a great place to get them and get started. But I wanted to share this fun box with you because we're going to be doing these boxes as well as one more place, because this way I can send you where you need to purchase the items that I'm making at such a reasonable price. So again, the links are all below, and I look forward to seeing you all really, really soon. Make sure you check out these videos, because I am going to be giving away, what did I say, 2 bracelets and 2 different types of earrings, and we're going to have fun making all of this stuff together, including our stencils on our tiles. So stay tuned and check in with me soon. Bye now.